Hello everyone, Rums here with a quick 5-minute review of the Johnsons Cedar. Excellent box that comes with this one. Nice wooden slide out box. And the cool thing about this is you have the details of the knife engraved in here. As you can see, this is Cedar 17. This is built in RWL 34. Diamond scales on this one. Let's go ahead and get this guy out. And I love the scales on here. It's kind of like a barbell knurling. It's very nice. This one came with teal hardware and clip here, also back spacer. And the cool thing about this knife is there's a few ways to open it. So it has a recessed flipper here. It's kind of hidden, kind of hard to get to at first, but you get used to it after a while. Yeah, I've gotten used to it and it flips nicely now. But when you first open it, it's kind of a pain in the ass to do. And the action on this thing is ideal. I mean, it just drops shut. Not like a guillotine, but nice and controlled drop shut. And I think this is what you want out of your knives. At least it's what I want. So back flips like a champ there. You can do that all day. Slow roll it, no problem. Such good access to the bar here. You can flick it out too. Of course you can. No issues there. Lock up on this guy. About where it should be. You got a steel liner insert there. Such a good knife. I love this. It is not a small knife. It's about, I think it was 3.6 inches on the website here. Let's go ahead and get a measurement here of the blade. Yeah, it is just over 3 inches, so 3.6 I think is about accurate there. Overall length on this guy is 8 1/4. And we'll get some size comparisons real quick. Wait for PM2. Everyone has a PM2, right? Or just about everyone. So this is a little bit longer than a PM2, so this is not a small knife. Your bug out here. Yeah, much bigger than the bug out. And if you line up the blades here, you can see you have some good blade real estate on here. And if you look closely at the blade, you can actually see it has a little bit of kind of milling marks on there. Very cool. Purposefully done there. I love that. I love how it closes. It's only getting better as I have it. Breaking in nicely. Also, let's grab a quick weight on the Cedar real quick. Grab my scale here. .2 ounces, just like it's listed on the website. Like I said, this is RWL 34. It is rated at 63 Rockwell hardness on their website. You can get different colors for you can get it anodized, the scales anodized in different colors. Also the clip spacer and hardware, different colors on their website. They are sold out right now, but just keep an eye on the website, maybe sign up for the email list, and you can probably build yourself one out. I got this on the secondary market, on a whim kind of. Never heard of this company before. Saw one of Metal Complex's videos and went ahead and bought it. So very excited for this one. These are made in Latvia, I believe. Yes, Latvia. Not many knives coming out of there, but I mean, this feels like a good, semi-custom USA knife, kind of along the lines of Oz Machine Company with a Rosie. I also have a Utzler. It reminds me kind of that. Maybe not quite as nice as that, but the action is so good on this thing. If you like action, you like back flicking, you like flippers that have a quirky kind of recessed. I had so much trouble with this at first because I would kind of get stuck on it, where that would happen. Where I would just kind of push a button, flick it instead of, it's more of a light switch, I believe. And you want to kind of clear it to give it room to open. But after you get used to it, very good. Very happy with this guy. This thing came screaming sharp out of the box. Slices like no other. Really nothing I can say wrong about this knife other than maybe just, You know, this thing was a little quirky to get used to at first, the flipper on the back. But if you like to open your knives like this, you'll be fine because it's excellent. Nothing wrong with it at all. Yeah. Another thing is the availability. You know, you're going to have to wait for these, it seems like, right now. They're not putting a ton out, but hopefully that gets better soon. The price on this thing is pretty fair. I think it was around $600, you know, from the maker. So you're getting good value out of this knife. Really, not much I can say against this knife other than the flipper, availability, and that's about it. Other than that, I love this thing. It's been in my rotation, really one of my knives of the year so far. So I'll go ahead and give this thing an 8.4. Very pleased with this, and hope to see more coming from this company. I have their Cedar, and it feels a lot more substantial than the Cedar. The Cedar is super lightweight. This is milled out, and on the inside, you can see there's not much milling, so it has a good weight to it. Feels very balanced. In love with this knife. Thank you, YouTube.